Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI website for testing results, which is SuperMonitoring. So let's quickly dive into it. The SuperMonitoring is a powerful website testing tools that help you track uptime, speed, broken forms, SSL issues, and even full user transaction, all with fast alert and detailed diagnostics. It's great for anyone who wants deep visibility into their site because you get 1-minute monitoring, Snapchat, HTML snapshot, and the tools that shows exactly what went wrong. The pricing is also pretty friendly for small sites, which makes it more accessible than many enterprise style monitoring platforms. But some of the most helpful features like the advanced transaction testing and form check sit behind a higher type plan, so the real power costs extra. So SuperMonitoring works well if you want a reliable alert, strong reporting, and a dashboard that stays simple even with multiple monitoring pages. Plus, things like SMS alert and HAR files had real value for troubleshooting. Just know that the SMS notification require credit that can add up depending on your region, and there's no dedicated mobile app. So if you prefer on the go and management, you have to stick to the plan. So in my opinion, the website is one of the most complete affordable monitoring solution for small mid-sized website, and that's it.